Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to count blank cells. So friends, you need to count blank cells in Excel. So just you need to type easy formula. Firstly, select any cell where you want to appear result. For example, you want to appear result here. So select that cell. Now type formula equal sign count blank open bracket. Now select cell. I want to result for these all cells. I want to count blank cells in this column. So select that, then press enter. That's it. So result appear 3 cells in this column which has blank. That's it. So very quick and easy method to count blank cells in Excel program. Firstly, select cell where you want to result appear, then type formula equal sign count blank. You can select from here also. So open bracket will typed automatically. Now only just you need to select cells, then press enter. That's it. Now because we selected these cells till here, so 2 result appear. So he count these cells as a blank and this cell as blank. So you can result from any particular cells. If you will count, if you will select all cells, so result appear 3 like before. So that's it friends, by this quick and easy method we can know how to count blank cells in Excel. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.